clean the brush a little bit before I go in here. And I'm going to clean the brush. There we go, we've got some nice different lights on there. That yellow looks striking actually. Into the green there, look. Background. Up here. Lovely, thank you. Yeah, let's go something like that. That looks quite nice. Well, I'm going to do this one now. I'm going to stay in this yellow to begin with. Just pull straight. Oh, there's a nice bright one there. Look at the power. The power of the paint. Oh, this is going to be nice over here. Let's do this one. Look at that. Okay, that's quite nice as well, isn't it? Let's pull this out then. I'll come back to that a little bit, but look at these colours, aren't they beautiful? We're going into the violet now, the violet and blue. Look at that. Ooh, that is beautiful. Very light blend now. Some colour out of this. We'll just use some red, some purple, some green, some blue, whatever. Just a dark colour. Maybe a bit more of the crimson there. Just going to make some mountains now. Look at that beautiful colours in there that's come off the So let's make a mountain sort of shape here. Just come down here. Another little peak there. Let's just pull this down with a little brush. Just making them shapes there. Now, then we can add some snow on. Let's just put some streaks in there, that colour, some blue, some green, just some colour, some violet. Let's see. Yeah, all good, thank you. Tiny Ears, how you doing? Let's just cut across here. There's a little. Let's put some snow on. So we're just going to come here, just gently, and just drag that colour out. Let's go here. We can come down. How do we want this mountain? Got that one coming down towards us. Look. I'm going to put some of that in it. With Indian yellow there. Just some streaks, some red. Look at that. Look, see? Let's just put some colours in here. I'm going to come down here where this is sort of striking. And here. Let's go here. We'll just make, how should we, look, that one's coming all the way down there. Let's just go with a little bit more yellow on that one. Really want that catching that light. We'll go something like that. Put these together. It, and this one over here. I'm just going to add a little bit of mist down here, and we're going to mist that out a little bit. We'll just bring that down like that. Bring that up the mountain. There we go. Very lightly, just go over there. Oh, I'm going to use this dark colour. I'm just going to put some little lands, some little trees or something that live over here. Just do a little lift up. And that gives the impression of lots of little trees. or just stuff growing there. Now let's just pull down. Yeah, look. Just trying to get sort of a neat-ish line there. Let's just go into the green here. Amazing colours, amazing colours. If your art at school wasn't great, how did you learn to be this good? Just keep going. Just keep going. Yeah, I've always had like an arty streak in me, so I just say, like I say to everyone, jump in the deep end. Just keep going at it. Just keep going at it. So yeah, just a bit of this. So we're just going to pull this down very softly. And when I first started painting, I used a lot of paint. So as you go on, you know how much paint to use and where. So just keep your eye on the water now. Just keep your eye on here, and you'll see it change. Okay. So this is just a different way, because normally I do mirror everything into the thing. Into the water. I'm just going to use all this different colour here and just literally put a little waterline in. See, you can just, that's sort of a separator now. We just want to mirror a little bit here. So we can do a little bit there. There's a little bit up here. We can do something like that. There's a bit there, so we'll come sort of there. Like this. I could have put some dark on there. Let's put some dark on there as well. Just see how it turns out. So yeah, we can proper mirror this. So it's so it's a sort of close mountain. So we could come something like this. You're still going to see colours of the water, but yeah, we're going to put some in, and then it goes up there, doesn't it? Sort of there, and then it goes across there like that. Something like that, and then there's one over here, something like that. Right, okay, let's go into this reddish colour now. We've got some red over here, so I'm going to tap this in. Just tap it. Tap, 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 tap. So look, you can sort of see what's going on there. Now I want to go into some bluish colour, so I'm just going to go, look, you know, I've got all these colours left, so I'm just going to mix them up, put them in. And this one sort of comes around here, doesn't it? So we're going to go sort of like that. Gets lighter as it sort of goes there. Go like that. Bit there. Let's go into a bit of white, because there's a little bit of white there. Look. And there's a little something there. Like I'm going to pull down the same thing as the water. Just pull that down there. Okay, and here. Go just straight down, and then we just want to go across there. Then we can put some nice water lines in, and look at that, already you've got that instant sort of reflection. What do you think about that? Don't forget, you can get yourself a Bob and Brenda cup, or there's so much stuff. There's jumpers, cardigans, flasks, thermals, you name it. It's all on the website. We'll have a bit here. Comes down here. We can put some little highlights on here. And in here. Put some limbs on here. Here's a bigger one, that one. There we go. Going to make some little things here and there just to bring that alive. Let's just sign this off in.